Welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful letterhead like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we have to go to the Insert tab and I'm going to insert a shape. So to insert the shape, you simply have to locate the shapes here, click on it, and the shape that I want us to insert is right here. So just click on it and click on and come and draw it this way. Alright, so with this shape, you can easily just reduce the size here. Let me zoom out a little. Alright, so with this one, let's remove the outline. And also, we are not going to stop there. We are also going to increase the length. Let me rotate it to this side. So I'll increase here a little. So let me okay, I'll leave it this way. So the color, let's change the color of it. So to change the color, either just select it this way and go to the shape fill here under the shape format here, or right click on it this way and go to the format shape. So the properties of it will appear at the right side of our screen here. So we click on the fill here. So since the solid fill is selected, we just leave it as it is, and then we click on color here. So choose this color right here. Alright, so let me just increase it a little. Alright, so with this one, let's make a copy of it right here. So, and gently reduce the size and reduce the height also as well. So I'll gently align it somewhere around here. So I'll make a copy of this one on top. So I'm going to change the color of this one. So you see, as it has been selected, let's go to the color here. So use this color right here. Alright, so we are not stopping there again. We are just going to make a copy of this one to the top. So I'm just rotating it. So I'll gently align it somewhere here. If possible, reduce the size. So I'm not going to stop there. I'm again going to make a copy of this one. So use it a couple of times. So I'm just going to rotate it this way. So let me zoom in a little. So let's change the color of this one. Alright, so again, let me zoom in. So I'll gently increase this one a little. So I'll then make a copy of this one also as well. So let's rotate that one. So let me send it back a little. Alright, so with this, just gently rotate it to this side. So I can bring it down a little. So again, let's make a copy of this one here. And rotate this one also to this side. And then go and change the color of it. So with the color, we'll choose this brown right here. So now let's make a copy of this one also as well. So let me send this one on top a little. So this one, I think it will go this way. So I'll change the color of this one. So let me now increase the height of this one. So I'll bring this one down a little. So I'll increase the height of this one also. Alright, so now I want us to insert a couple of text box. So to do that, just simply go to the insert tab, locate your text box right here, click on it and click on draw text box. So just come and click once it will be inserted. So the text box, we can see that it's having an outline. So to remove the outline, just simply go to shape outline here under the shape format. So remove the outline. So go to shape fill, give it no fill. So the text box that I want us to insert here will be the logo. So you have your logo here. So let's reduce the space between the logo and the here. So that will be the layout. So go move on to the layout tab. So the after here, just give it 0. So let's now format the logo. So the font of it, I'll choose area rounded, and the size I'll give it 14. So the here also, I'll choose the different font, which is the semi-bold. Semi-bold is right here, and the size I'll give it 14 as well. So I'll gently position it here. So with this, I have a logo in my device. So to insert it, I simply have to go to the insert tab and go to pictures. If you don't have it in your device and you have to work with online pictures, you'll go with online pictures here. But I have it in my device, so I'll go with this device. So this is the logo right here. So I'll just double click on it or click once and go to the insert button, which was right here, and click on it to insert it. So you can see the logo. I'm finding it difficult to move it around. So to have a free chance of moving it around, simply have to click on this button and click on this wrapper. So to give it a chance to easily move it around. So I'll reduce the size and gently align it to the left side. So somewhere around here. So I'll bring this one also right here. So I'll make a copy of this one here. So we are going to change this text to contact, email, and address. So the contact, I'll just go with something like 000 000 000 0. So let me change the font of it to Calibri. So after this one, we'll have the address. So I'm just going to use something like bring your address here. And lastly, we have email here. So let me reduce the space in between it. So I'm just going to give all of it 6x. Alright, so I'll gently align it at the left side. So now let's insert icons for all of these ones. So let me give all of it 14. Or let me go with, okay, 14 is not bad, 12 is not bad. Alright, so to insert icon for all of it, I simply have to go to the insert tab again, go to pictures and this device. So I'll go with the phone icon first. So let's wrap it and can have the free will of moving it around. So next we'll have the location. And lastly for icons, you have the mail icon. Alright, so I think it's not looking bad. So now I want us to make a copy of this one right here. So we're going to change this one to a couple of texts. And the first text will be to. So here you have name and surname. So I'll just go with name, surname. So next one, you have the director. Maybe I'll just go in the position, so I'll just go with assistant director. So let me increase the height. So then have the address, so I'll go with anywhere straight. I'll go with any city. Alright, so next I'll have the contact info, so I'll just go with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's now format all of it one after the other. So I'm just going to take all of these ones and I'm going to change the font here to semi-bold. Alright, the size, let me make it 14. So let's remove the spaces there. So I'll give the layout 0, 0. Alright, so I'll take the top one also, that's 2. And the font, I'll choose rounded area and I'll give it 14. Alright, so it is, let's make a copy of it here. We are changing this one to date. We'll have the date. So it will be 00 December 2025. So I'll select all of it and I'll choose the semi-bold. And with this one, I'm choosing the calibri. So I'll again make a copy of this one here. So let me scroll to the bottom. So here we'll change it to DSL. So here has to be the body of our letterhead, and I don't have a body, so I'm just going to randomly generate a text there for the sake of this video. So to do that, I'll simply type in RANG, that's rand. So I want to paragraph, each consisting of 3 lines. So I think this way will do. So I'll change the font of it to Calibri. So I'll then take this one also and I'll make a copy here. So here you have your name. After that you have the position or profession. So I'll go with designation. So let me change the font of it. I'll go with Calibri, make it bold, and the color, I'll choose this color. So I'll align it to the center. So let me check the layout and see what it is. 6. Okay, it is 6. So now I want to insert a line. So let me just go to the insert tab, go to shapes. I want to insert a line on top here. So that will be the place you can find a signature. Alright, so it is, oops, it's supposed to be a line, right? Not fill. Because just a line, not a shape. So you cannot fill in with a color, but rather change the color of the line. So I'll go with black. And I'll go with 0.15. Alright, so with this straight line, we will also make a copy here, or let's just go back to the insert tab and insert another straight line. So I want a straight line from here to here. Alright, so let me increase the width of it. I want it 3. Okay, let me leave it 2.7. I'll choose this color right here. So with this, I'll make a copy here, and I'll add a small passage here. So I'll just go with rand, and I want one paragraph is maybe 2 lines is okay. So I'll select all, remove the bold, and the color will be black. Alright, so I'm just trying to position all of it very well. Alright, so let me zoom out a little so you can have a feel of our design, a letterhead. Alright, so you can see that our letterhead looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.